Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to animate the text and an object. Before going to start with the animations, let me tell you something. Actually, I have made total 3 parts on this PowerPoint, and part 1 and part 2, if you did not watch, please check in the description box. I have given the links of part 1 and part 2. Thank you. And please subscribe my channel if you have not yet subscribed. And please like, share, and don't forget to comment in the comment box. Now let's start with the animation. So first I'm going to take the first slide. So here I have clicked on the first slide. So in first slide I'm going to apply the animation to this text. So what will I have to do? So before going to start with the animation, first we need to click on the text. So if you will not select the text, so what will happen if you will not select the text? You can see here in animations tab. You can see in animations tab, all these animations are in gray color. That means these animations are not selected to apply. So until you choose the text or an object for which you want to apply the animation, these animations will not be selected. So just you need to click on the text. After clicking on the text, in animations group, you all can check here in animations tab. In animations tab, you have the group called animation group. In animation group, you have few animations here. For example, you have appear, fade, fly in, float in, split, wipe, and shape. Now, if you want to take more options, if you want to see more animation options, you need to click on this drop down arrow for more options. So just click on this drop down arrow and you can see here you have many different options in different blocks. You can see here entrance, emphasis, exit. So these are the different blocks. In different blocks you have different animations. Now you can choose any animation from these options. So here I am going to click on, for example, fly in. So I have given the animation called fly in. So as soon as you apply the animation, you can see here number 1 is given here. That means the animation is applied to your text. Now how will you check? How will you check the preview to see how the animation has come? So to check the preview, you have to click on preview. Just you need to click on preview. You can see, you can play and check your animation, how it has come. Now, if you want to take out this animation, if you don't want this animation, how will you take out the animation what you have given? To take out the animation, just again you need to click on the text, and here in animation group you have the option called none. Just you need to click on this none. So as soon as you click on none, you can see here the animation what you have given got deleted. So like this you can remove the animation, and you can add again. If you want to add the animation, just you need to click on this more options and you can choose any animation from these options. Say for example, now this time I'm going to give the option called floating. So I have given floating. Now just to check the preview, just click on preview option. So you can see here, you can see the animation is playing. Now same way, again if you want to take out, click on the text and click on none. So like this you can apply the animation and you can remove the animation. Now I'm going to click on the second slide. Now in second slide I have done some animation. So just I will click on it and I will say none. Now here I'm going to add some different animation for this complete text. So for that what will I do? Again I have to click on this more options and I will choose this time I'm selecting, for example, in emphasis I'm selecting spin. So you can see the preview how the spin option comes. So this is the animation what I have added in my text. Now when you see the animation, you can see if you want to reduce the speed of the animation or if you want to increase the speed of the animation, here you have the option in timings. In timing group, you can reduce or you can increase the animation speed and or you can reduce the speed. For example, now the duration is given 2 seconds. Now if you want to you want to make it more slow or more fast, just reduce the speed, reduce the duration. Say for example, now I have given 1 second and just see what happens. See, It's very fast, right? The animation is playing very fast. Now if you want to reduce the speed, so what you have to do, in duration, in timing group, in duration, you need to increase the duration speed. Now for example, I have given at present, I am giving 3 seconds. Now you can just check how it is. So it is now very slow. So like this you can increase the speed of the animation, or you can decrease the speed of the animation just by changing the duration. So I hope it's clear. Till here it is clear, my dear friends. Okay. Now we'll apply animation to an object. So for that, I'm going to click on my third slide. So now I have clicked on third slide. In this third slide, we have two different pictures. So now I'm going to click on this first picture. After clicking on the first picture, you can click on more animation options by clicking on this drop down arrow. So you can see here more different options on this animations. So from here, I'm going to choose some motion paths, or I'm going to click on more motion paths. Here in this motion paths, you have different motion paths. Now I'm going to click on more motion paths. So when you click on more motion paths, you can see here, you will get different options here. So from this, I'm going to choose the option called up. I'm going to click on up. So just click on up and see what happens. Click on OK and just check the preview. So when you say preview, you can see the picture is moving towards up, right? Now, and the end point is only till here. You can see here small circle option here. That means the end point is only till here. Now, if you want to drag it, you can drag this end point to any of the direction till where you want to move. Please observe, I am clicking and dragging this end point. So you can drag this end point to any of the direction, to whichever direction you want to move this picture. So here I am clicking and dragging this end point towards the right side down. So now you can check the preview. So see here your preview comes like this. So this is the way you can apply the motion path to your picture. Now you can see the speed like how we have done for the text. The speed is very fast. So to reduce the speed, you have to check in timing. In timing group, you have the duration. You can reduce the speed by just I'm giving here 1.50 seconds. Now you can see here preview. It went more fast. So to reduce the speed, what you have to do? You have to increase the timing, duration, timing. So just I'm giving for this also 3 seconds, and now see what happens. So this is the way you can reduce, you can apply the animation to the picture, and you can reduce or increase the speed of the animation. So I hope it's clear how to apply the animation to the text and to the object. Now, how will you check this presentation in presentation mode? To check the presentation in your presentation mode, you need to click on slideshow. So what is slideshow? Slideshow means it's the preview of the final presentation. So if you want to check your preview of your final presentation, you have to click on slideshow tab. In slideshow, you have different options. From beginning, if you want to check the animation or the presentation, from current slide. So here I'm going to click on from beginning. So when you click on from beginning, you can see your presentation will start playing from the first slide. So this is our first slide. Then just you need to hit the mouse button on the slide. Just click anywhere on the slide. So this is our second slide. In second slide, we have given animation to this text. So it will start playing your animation. Then just click on the slide. It will appear the third slide. Now in the third slide, just click on again on the slide. Your animation will start playing for the picture you have given. So like this, you can check the preview of your final presentation. And if you want to go back again to the normal view, just you need to click on the slide and you will be back to your normal view. So I hope, my dear friends, you have understood all the options what I have explained to you. And in the next video, you can see more options. So I'm going to show you how to insert the video in the slide, and how to insert the audio, and even how to record your voice. So please don't miss my next video. Thank you for watching my video.